What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Juan. Today we're in the 340, headed to pick up a B58. By B58, I'm not talking about a car. I'm actually talking about an engine with 40,000 miles off a 740i. We're gonna go ahead and swap it into the almost 190,000 mile 340, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna tear down this motor and see what's, what are some wear points. What do the valves look like? What do the piston rings look like? And then I'll possibly rebuild it with upgraded pistons, rods, maybe a built head. But that'll be the project. But nonetheless, the priority is getting a newer power plant in here. Although this one's fine. I think it blows a little bit more oil than it should for the PCV. So that could be worn rings, long-term effect of having the car making so much power. So we'll stay tuned for that. It's a day past the hurricane, so it's not the most beautiful day in the world. We're probably traveling right into the storm. So I'll keep you guys updated. Right now, here with the boy Jeremy, almost to his B58. There's a lot of money being not wasted. That's gonna be a good investment, but
it's a core for your built engine.
Yeah, it's a core for my built engine. That's the way we're calling it now. So hopefully the crank turns, and I know Jeremy's bought some tools to test that.
Definitely did not.
But I don't know, man. Look
This
at that.
guy's got the shit to put it in the truck.
Yeah, he got a cherry picker. He's already loaded on the cherry picker.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna put this shit in the truck, and then we're gonna keep it in Jeremy's garage until I'm ready. Okay. All right.
Lots of
one of these kind of grab on here, and then you can try to pick up another one.
That's what I was going to try and do here, but I don't think I'll be able to. Which point here?
Maybe there's another one over here. You know what?
Back. We're gonna put the B58 in the Evo. Get that a nice upgrade. Yes, sir. The boys are out here hunting tonight. We're back at it. We got that B58 today, same day. Now we're out here in the 340 trying to blow his engine up before we put the other one in. We're on a mission, y'all. We already got a little win tonight. Who we raised, Jeremy?
Raced a Mustang GT.
It was a GT. It was a 3.7. Jeremy's trying to hype it up as a 3.7, y'all. But still, a win is a win, no matter what. Yeah, riding with these boys tonight, man. We'll cut him in the... Oh, he's bagged. Oh, who does? Yeah, that's him, right?
I thought it was a Mustang.
Yeah. It was like we found a new crew to ride out with. Met us at the gas station. I don't know what these guys want from us, man. They don't want to raise, I hope. They ain't ready, man.
This shit is so nice. Hey, bro, I like the wheels.
Oh! Fuck it, bro. But it's probably, when you put it in sports mode, the exhaust gets louder, right?
Oh, word. Yeah, I put it in sport before I cranked it up.
Oh, yeah.
It's like you're running
I got another valve cover that I'm about to try out. There's Colorado M54.
Yeah.
He just dropped aluminum, so I just bought one just to see how it goes.
Ah, man, you got a nice setup, bro. Car looks good too.
I appreciate it.
pull good though.
Yeah.
Should pull good.
Yeah, what's up, y'all? So yeah, we did a little race. Did some racing tonight. My boy Jeremy got some videos, man. Y'all gonna see these things. Car did pretty terrible against these upgraded twin, full E85, port injection. Nice builds, but you know, gives us a little measuring stick.
Yeah.
When we come back out here, gut it. No baby seats in my shit. I got 2 baby seats in here right now, y'all.
And a big baby.
Yeah, and a big ass baby. I got a kangaroo right here, dude. This fucking guy, man. It's Chick-fil-A like it's fucking.
Fucking going out of style, bro.
I took 2 bites of my Chick-fil-A. Took 2 chicks of my Chick-fil-A, and this dude was already fucking reaching for my fries. Yeah, man. But look, I'm gonna show you this before, and then when we go full E85, you know, we'll see the after. It's gonna be scary. See how this man got this engine. All right, y'all, we got that thing in the garage. Sitting nice, gotta get an engine stand so we can start working on it. Gotta order some parts too, some special tools for the springs. You know, a lot of timing alignment tools. Flywheel, I guess locks for the flywheel and the crankshaft. So a ton of stuff, but we'll get to it.